He's been brushed, he's been walked, he's been brushed. He's been chased around the front room because he did not want to be picked up. Day 5, where is 5?
We're day 4, aren't we?
It was day 6. That's day... Okay, so on day 6 we've got... There's day 5. I mean, that's stupid.
Yeah, big fall like that.
Look at the idioticness of this. Which would you say is day 4, Papa?
What would I say was day 4?
Yeah, from the walk.
Well, that one has
Yeah.
got 4 written all over it. Why have they
I
put
know,
4 on
they
it?
fibbed. That's day 6.
Why did they put 4
I
on
don't
it?
know, that was very stupid. That one is 14.
Oh, it's just dates.
That's
isn't it?
11.
Yeah.
Oh,
But those ones are correct. That's correct. That one's correct. That's the only one that they've...
Letter of complaint. It's form of committee.
How very dare
Yes.
they? Anyway.
So I've got to do 4.
No, you've got to do 5. And then on
5.
day 6... No, hang on. We've got to say hello and stuff.
Oh.
We haven't even done... Honestly, how many days has it been? It's like herding cats. Ready? 1, 2, 3... Merry Vlogmas! Oh, we got there eventually.
What?
It's a very late start today, but that's my fault. Mum and Dad have been up and doing and all sorts, and I just, I've been a very late start. So, Puppy is excited. Wait, no, let's do it.
He's waiting.
He's wagging his tail.
He's wagging his tail. Yeah, it's this
Is
one.
it because they can see him then?
It's this one. What is in it?
I'm trying to stop touching me
today.
It's stinky.
Oh.
I think that's more of day 1, isn't it?
No, they're all different.
There's a variety. Mum
I
has
was
no
just about to ask if you liked it.
Mum has no sense of smell or taste, and so she's like, "Yeah, I'll sniff this," and then sticks it right up my nose. Are
Yeah.
you impressed, Kai? Are you
Is it
impressed?
nice? Is it nice? Oh.
He has many treats there, so there's going to be rustling in the background. Dad, you supervise the dog. We've got to...
What, do I give him
You
some
can
or
give
not?
him some,
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
but I need Mum to... There we go. Thank you.
Sit.
Yeah, that's his lunch.
Sit.
Oh, classic 70%, my favourite. Yay.
Is it?
Yes.
Good.
That's what I order regularly, as
Right.
well as the Black Forest one, so I'm very happy by that.
Sit.
Over here, look.
Sit.
All we
Oh,
can
I've
see
left
is an ear.
Oh, no, hang on. Stop being cute. Wait.
Sit.
Good boy.
He's somewhat obedient.
He is.
I mean, honestly, Mummy's not. So he knows what side his bread's buttered on and who to suck up to when he wants something. The minute you left yesterday, he was suddenly like, "Dad, you're my favourite person. Hi." I think you need to go on the floor now because we need to do Dad's one.
All right.
Oh, day 5.
Day 5.
Okay, so you figured out the right direction. We've got that.
Yes.
But that doesn't solve the problem that the other teams are way ahead of you. You wonder if there is a shortcut. Aha.
Oh.
You would have to ask local people about this. Klaus, he's the pilot.
Yes.
Yeah, you call to the pilot, who is now eating tomato... Why did I say tomato?
I've got no idea.
Now eating Tom's potato salad. What's that got to do with a tomato?
You conflated.
Oh,
Tom
dear.
potato.
No, well, I was reading ahead, you see. Head over to the planet over there. I want to ask the residents if they know a shortcut. A little later, you land on a very barren planet.
Are you okay?
Sand and rocks as far as the eye can see. Sounds like the Isle of Wight. Suddenly you spot little green figures waving happily at you. Ooh, funny, you think. People always talk about little green men in space. They actually seem to exist. But wait, there are also yellow ones, and red ones, and purple ones. There are loads of them.
Excellent.
They stream towards the spaceship, making strange sounds. This is a language you've never heard before. This planet is called Murmulor. Do you speak Murmulorian? No, me neither. If you want to talk to them, you'll have to learn their language first. Oh,
Okay. So,
got to learn a language.
they've got lots of aliens. Lots of aliens.
They look like
Kai-
Smurfs with haircuts.
They do. Kai is interested. Are you going to help, Kai? And day 5.
Oh. There's no cards in it.
Or I'll let them have a look.
There might be a bit that...
Oh yeah, but it's
That you open.
bulging. There's supposed to be a riddle card, E1,
No.
Oh dear.
No riddle card.
You will need riddle card E, calendar sheet 5 and the advent calendar box. Okay, so the fact that we're missing a card is not helping. Oh! On Murmur you should look to the right after every S. Hi baby, yes. I know. Hi! Oh, so the little green dude is the clue.
Is he pointing at?
Yeah, he's pointing at something. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's under there, is it?
Yeah.
Can you see it in there?
Oh yeah.
That was a bit more disjointed.
Well, that's the first time in 3 calendars that we've been missing a piece.
Yeah.
Don't disappear, you've got to come back.
Why?
Thumbnail.
Oh,
Look at the camera. We ran out of time. He liked the sound of that though, didn't you? Yeah. Head tilt. So you guys are going out for bridging this afternoon,
we are
aren't
indeed.
you?
Yep.
Yes.
We are.
And then you've got more bridge this evening.
And
It's
I'm
a very
playing
bridge heavy day.
with Dad today.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
playing with a champion. Mind you, I was a champion last week.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 champions.
Champions.
Well, good luck and enjoy your afternoon. We'll be back tomorrow for more calendar goodness, and I'm going to go and make my hot chocolate, which I know I'm going to enjoy. 70%. Absolutely delicious. One of my favourites, and like I say, it's part of my subscription, although I did call it a prescription the other day, which I might actually be more accurate. I have bought myself up some lunch. I'm going to eat that, and I am going to try and do some sewing today. I think I am going to possibly work on getting the strips together for the leftovers of this fabric that I showed you yesterday. Got the waistband sort of semi-prepared, so I think, yeah, if I get the strips done and possibly the gathering stitching into those as the daily sewing bit that I would like to do, that would be really, really good, because I've got lots of the other stuff to do, but I'm not talking about that, except that I am every single day. I'm so sorry. It is, one of the things that if I ever won the lottery, I probably wouldn't tell you, but there would be signs, and one of them would be that I would employ somebody to do that side of this job for me, because it is not my favourite. There probably would also be quite a lot of worldwide fabric shopping adventures happening as well, so whilst I wouldn't actually tell you, there would be signs. But unfortunately I have not won the lottery, although I haven't checked my ticket from last night, so maybe, who knows, I could be a multi-millionaire. Wouldn't that be exciting? That would definitely solve the laptop issues as well. It would be so cool. Anyway, so I'm going to stop daydreaming now and get on, have my lunch, and then get on with, like I say, trying to get the bits and pieces of that skirt prepped. I might actually just power through and get the whole thing done today, because it's not going to be a very large project. Until I put the trim on, that is. We will see. We will see how it all goes. You're not being helpful. I'm trying to do some sewing. I am. I'm watching Lucifer. I'm trying to make a skirt. And this is not helpful. Not helpful.
1 hour later.
I've just had dinner with Mum and Dad, and we watched House of Games, which was very nice. Dad did his version of fish and chips, which was buttery salmon with sweet potato fries and broccoli again, which is all of our favourites, so that's very good. I'm working on my skirt. I have just sewn the first pass of a French seam with hopefully insertion trim put in as well. It's an experiment. We will see how this goes. There's a little bit that I need to just tweak because the French seam just missed a bit, so I'm going to just tweak that, and then fingers crossed sew the bit that encloses everything and ends up with the trim on the right side. Wish me luck. We shall see how that goes.
A few moments later.
I have been playing trim roulette without even realising it. I did some mental gymnastics to make sure that I had enough, which involved, because I've cut one of my full widths of the fabric in half, so 2.5 in the bottom tier, 1.5 in the top tier. So I was doing all these mental gymnastics to work out if I had enough trim or not, because I bought 5 meters, and what I could have just done was times the width of the fabric by 4, and knowing that I was going to be short, I'm 25 centimeters short, which is really annoying because it's going to look amazing. I had thought I'd bought the last of it, but I'd bought the last of that last listing. She's got more, so I've ordered another 10 meters because I absolutely love this trim, and it will go with more than just this fabric. My attempt at French seaming trim into a seam with a French seam on the back has worked really well, and then I've got it around the bottom of the skirt as well, except for the last 25 centimeters. So now I'm trying to decide, do I put my zip in and attach my waistband, or do I actually want to put some trim on the waistband as well, so that there's trim around all 3 tiers? I think that would look really nice. So I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to finish off the raw edge of this waistband with bias binding so that it doesn't have to get tucked up into the skirt like I usually would, and that's because with the interfacing and the gathering in there, it's going to get really bulky. So I think finishing this with bias binding is actually going to be better, so I'll get that done now. Will I? In fact, no, I won't, because I've switched threads back over from orange to blue. So I think I'm actually just going to call it a night now. The laptop died about 2 hours ago. I'm not stressing about it. Apple are calling me back tomorrow. It's going to be fine. It's going to be totally fine. Tomorrow's Vlogmas is uploaded. I haven't done any of the links for it or any of those things, or scheduled it, or the end credits, or any of those things. But you know what? I can't. My laptop just is not working, so I can't do anything about that. So yeah. It is what it is, but I'm pleased with how this is turning out so far. It's going to be a nice little skirt, I think. I mean, it's going to be very, very similar to the dress. It's exactly the same length of skirt and skirt type, but I do think it's going to be very pretty, and I like that there is an addition of some trim on there, even if it is very kind of like blend into the background. I was looking for some trim that was ginger, and I found a couple that were gorgeous, but none of them were available in the UK. It was going to cost more to get them shipped here than the trim itself was going to cost, which I thought was silly, so I decided not to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night, like I say. So I hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas Day 5. We'll be back tomorrow, fingers crossed, for more of the same. Yeah, I'm tired. You can tell I'm tired. We'll be back tomorrow for more of the same. Calendars, puppies, possibly some kittens. Definitely a Chiana sighting, because you haven't seen her except for that old picture for a while. And that's the plan. But I'm going to bed now, so I shall see you all then. Bye!